Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to make a garage door. For example, you can draw walls and I will insert for the default door by clicking this door tools and then click on the wall objects to apply. Now if you want to change this door into garage, you can select the door objects and then click open button. Will be show for the interior door specification. And in the indoor types, you can change from height into garage. Like this. If you done, you can click OK. And it will be automatically changed into garage door. You can resize the garage. Or you can set for the another type. You can select the door objects. And after it, you can change, like we can set for the door styles into the panel. So it'll be set into panel. Click OK again to set the change. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial how to make a garage door. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.